Okay. Yeah.
Making up his favorite breakfast burritos. Look at the carnitas.
Lord. Lord. Gosh, that bad boy. That. Health food. All my friends on Facebook.
There you go. Here I am doing what I do best, huh, Stu?
That's it, baby.
Say good morning.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Look at all the nice cars coming in.
Love that one.
Yeah?
Yeah. I like the back. First boyfriend I think I ever had one of those. That was way back in Vermont.
Yeah.
Way back in Vermont.
Remember how sensitive that is.
Yeah, I'll be careful about what I say.
You're letting all the dirt out on the
internet.
On the internet.
Oh man,
You're letting all the dirt out on the internet.
some of the shit they say out there, you know. Bob Jones, what do you think? Thinking about taking a shit?
Yeah.
There's
Thinking about Friday is good. Well, yeah, we all know Friday.
Okay. How you been?
All right. Taking it easy?
Yeah.
Good.
How's Herbie?
I don't know. I ain't seen him for about 6 weeks.
Yeah, but you guys haven't been to Big Joe's, have you?
we've been down there, but they've been up north.
Yeah, this here.
We've been down there once. We don't go down unless they're around,
That's
you
what I
know.
figure. You two,
Yeah,
you four are together, like,
Yep.
you know, tap
Like-
the belly button.
exactly.
We go there and I don't see you guys, you know. You know, maybe they're
Have-
going to earlier or later.
Have you been in there?
Oh, yeah, we go.
Oh, okay.
About, maybe twice, 3 times a month. Bill,
Okay.
Carol, and Pat and I. We
Yeah.
got a new one, huh?
Oh, this is video.
Oh, okay.
Hi, Bill.
Yeah. Hi, how are you? How you
All
doing?
All right.
That's good. Bill, get some breakfast?
I had something before I left. Thanks, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. There's coffee there too. If you want.
Yeah, thank you.
So,
Okay, thank you.
You got a video.
Tammy.
Morning, guys.
There's Tammy Cam.
How are you?
Yes.
Okay. Mwah.
Soft his lips.
I kissed the camera.
Yeah, that'll show up good. That'll be good on the thing. Is this so shiny? My car needs to be wiped down. I gotta go do
Mine's
that.
not wiped down. So we're putting countertops in my house, and I just had that's a
Really? Oh.
If you drive at 75, it blows it off.
I knew that's my That's what Mama said. She goes, you fucking just got frustrated. You know, I got ugly shit going.
Well, I did at first, you know, the radiator part, you know, shit. And work on this thing and fix it, you know.
Starting to fill up.
That's how it is. But as far as the rabbit, it's a hot car like a huge Volkswagen